accurate forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, certified by Weather Rate, sponsored by AC Designs.
And there is a lot going on in the weather, including right here at home. Today is a weather impact alert day. First Coast News issues weather impact alert days to stay on your side and let you know when there's inconvenient weather in your area that could impact your day. So we have weather alert days for all sorts of weather. It could be thunderstorms. By the way, that's why we have an impact alert day today. It could be dangerous heat. It could also be fog on your morning commute. It could be flooded roads when you're trying to get home from work or school. It could be tropical. It could be bad air quality. When the weather is going to impact you or it becomes an inconvenient situation or a nuisance to you, we are going to let you know when it's going to happen, what that impact is, and what you need to know to be prepared and stay safe. So for today, we do have a weather impact alert day. When is that going to happen? 2 to 9 p.m. this afternoon and this evening. The impact, that is thunderstorms. We have a 60% coverage of storms. And by the way, there's a low threat of strong or severe storms associated with that. So what you need to know and what you need to do to be prepared is have your rain gear on hand. When these rainstorms pop, be aware that lightning could be an issue. So you need to have an indoor backup plan. If you have any outdoor plans this evening, maybe you're grilling out or trying to get to the pool, you need to be aware that you might need to head indoors if lightning is in the area. Also, for anyone driving home for the evening commute, they need to be aware as well that they could be driving through some wet weather, some bad weather and bad visibility when it comes to that rain. So again, today, right around 2 o'clock, we'll really start to see more of those thunderstorms pop, and then they will stay with us until about 9 p.m. tonight. Again, we do have the risk of severe weather, though it's low, it's marginal, which is a level 1 out of 5, but it's for most of the First Coast, all of Southeast Georgia and a good portion of Northeast Florida. We could have isolated wind gusts around 58 miles an hour or stronger. So here's a look again at the timing when it comes to models for this. Later this afternoon, again, the timing when 2 to 9 p.m. Around 2, we see more thunderstorms bubble up, especially over Southeast Georgia. Then those sink down into Northeast Florida during the evening hours, during the evening commute, and during dinner later on tonight. Again, finally coming to a close around 9 p.m. Right now, we are looking good out there for the most part, but some of you in Southeast Georgia, places like Waynesville and Brunswick, you are getting some rain. Speaking of rain, we're keeping a close eye on the drenching rain that they are getting in Grenada. Unfortunately, Hurricane Beryl made landfall there a little bit ago with sustained winds of 150 miles an hour, a very strong storm. And we are also watching Chris, but luckily that has dissipated. The remnants, though, still bringing a lot of rain to portions of Mexico. For us, here's a look at our 7-day forecast. And again, today from 2 to 9 p.m., we have a weather impact alert day in effect for thunderstorms. Looking ahead to the 4th of July on Thursday, a typical 4th of July, hot and humid with some rain and storms out there.